Good morning, dear students. Now study of some important terms which are related with reaction mechanism, right? In any chemical process or chemical change. First one is inductive effect. Inductive effect is shown by sigma bonded electrons, and this is permanent effect, right? Second is resonance. Resonance is shown by either lone pair of electrons or by pi bonded electrons. Okay, children. Inductive effect. First one is inductive effect. Inductive effect is classified in two categories. First is plus I effect. Plus I effect is also known as electron donating inductive effect. When any substituent which is attached at the end of carbon chain, right? Substituent is attached either left hand side carbon or right hand side carbon atom, and which shows electron donating effect. Such effect, inductive effect, is also known as plus I effect. Plus inductive effect or electron donating effect, right? In electron donating effect, always electron density increases. Second is minus I effect. It means minus inductive effect, which is shown by electron withdrawing groups. When substituent or functional group is attached with left hand side carbon atom or right hand side carbon atom, such electron withdrawing functional groups show minus inductive effect, right? For example, plus I effect is shown by alkyl group. Presence of alkyl group always increases electron density, right? Which is known as plus I effect. Second is presence of halide, nitro group, cyanide group with carbon atom either left hand side or right hand side of parent chain, always show what type effect? Minus I effect or minus inductive effect. Now children, one example of plus I effect, tertiary carbocation. This is tertiary carbocation. Electron deficient carbon is attached with 3 alkyl groups. This tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. This one. Only 2 alkyl groups are attached. Right? This is more stable than primary carbocation. This is tertiary. This is secondary carbocation. And this carbocation is primary. Okay, children? What is the reason? What is the reason of more stability of tertiary carbocation than secondary carbocation? In this electron deficient carbon, 3 alkyl groups are present, right? If alkyl groups are methyl groups, CH3, 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 each one is methyl group, then this inductive effect is shown by 3 alkyl groups. This direction of arrow is showing movement of electrons from this alkyl group to this electron deficient carbon. Right? And this electron donating effect provides more stability to this electron deficient carbocation. Okay, children? In secondary carbocation, only 2 alkyl groups are present. Then inductive effect plus I effect plus inductive effect shown by 2 alkyl groups. Right? In primary carbocation, only 1 alkyl group is present, either ethyl carbocation or propyl carbocation, right? Only 1 alkyl group is present, is attached with electron deficient carbon. In this manner, plus I effect is shown by only 1 alkyl group, right? This is the decreasing order of stability of carbocation. tertiary, secondary and primary. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 1. Now, second is presence of electron withdrawing group, which is halogen group with this terminal carbon atom. This direction of arrow is showing shifting of sigma bonded electrons towards most electronegative atom or functional group, right? Then what is its effect? Development of polarity. This carbon halogen bond is polar bond, right? Then effect of this polarity induces polarity in the adjacent bond. Del minus or minus del is showing partial negative charge on this chlorine, and plus del it means partial positive charge on this carbon. Chlorine is most electronegative, becomes negatively charged, and carbon is less electronegative, becomes positively charged. And this carbon halogen bond is polar bond. Its nature is polar. This is the direction. The effect of this polarity in this adjacent bond, like this. This electron deficient carbon withdraw electron from this adjacent alkyl group towards self. Okay, but as this distance between electronegative atom and carbon increases, this carbon is directly attached with halogen, but this is indirectly. This second carbon is attached with electron deficient carbon. Okay children, this electron density decreases, right? Or polarity, effect of this polarity decreases. Okay children, if third carbon is present, then 3 times del and plus charge. This increasing distance increases the effect of this polarity. Most electronegative is this and most electropositive is this, right? In comparison of this carbocation is less electropositive, and then third carbon least, right? This is the effect of polarity of carbon halogen bond in adjacent carbon atoms. Okay children, this effect is minus effect, electron withdrawing effect. Electron pair is withdrawn by halogen atom. For example, like this. For single bond formation, sigma bond formation, one pair of electrons is required. Cl. Effect of this on second carbon. This shifting of this sigma bonded electron towards most electronegative carbon. This is plus 10. This is bond, but this pair is showing this pair of electron is very close to this electronegative atom, right? And that's the second like this. C, H, H, and second functional group is nitro group. Sigma, double bond is present in nitro group. Its structure this. One is coordinate bond, sigma bond, and pi bond. And if this system is attached with carbon of alkyl group, then what is the direction of shifting of sigma bonded electron towards nitrogen? Because nitrogen is more electronegative than C, right? This is single bond, this is coordinate bond, but between this nitrogen and this oxygen, 2 bonds are present. One is sigma, second is pi, right? Due to delocalization of pi electrons, shifting of pi bonded electrons towards most electronegative atom, which is oxygen. Okay children, B, C and O. In the periodic table, B, C and O. Which atom is more electronegative? Oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. And what is the direction of shifting of pi bonded electron towards more electronegative atom? The effect of the shifting of electron, like simultaneous shifting of lone pair of electron of second oxygen atom between N and O, right? And this pi bonded electron towards this oxygen atom, right? And what is the direction of electron? Sigma bonded electron towards nitrogen. Okay, children? Silent group, same effect. Silent group, multiple bonds are present. If silent group is attached with carbon of alkyl group, carbon of hydrocarbon, then what is the direction? Like this. Okay, this is attached with this same direction. This one is also showing minus I or electron withdrawing effect or minus inductive effect. Okay, children? Always affect in the polarity of chemical bond. Now, second term is resonance. In some molecules, chemical properties are shown by intermediate structure, not by single structure. Not by single structure. For example, benzene. First step. Children, molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Its formula is C6H6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon, and with each carbon 1 hydrogen. Right? This is hexagonal shape. How many pi bonds are present? 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Right? But position of pi bond is different in two structures. Structure 1 and structure 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In first structure of benzene, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in second structure of benzene. Same number for same carbon atom. This is first carbon. This carbon is labeled as first. And this carbon is also labeled as first. But what is the difference between two structures? Position of double bond. In structure 1, double bond is present between first and second carbon. Right? This is pi bond or double bond. Like this. Okay, children? And in structure 2, single bond, alternation of double and single bond. Here double, only one sharp line, otherwise this is showing 2 pi bonds. Only one pi bond is present. Like this. Double, single, double, single, double, single. In the structure 2, between first and second carbon, single bond. Then double, single, double, single and double. Right? New position is occupied by double bond or by pi bond between second and third carbon. In structure 2. Right? Between fourth and fifth carbon, double bond is present. And in this structure, between third and fourth one. Again, new position between first and sixth carbon. Here between fifth and sixth carbon. Right? This interconversion is called resonance. Right? And resonance is shown by double-headed arrow. This head of arrow is showing conversion of structure A into structure B or structure 1 into structure 2. Right? And backward side, this arrow is showing conversion of second to first one. Right? True structure of benzene is shown by loop of electrons. True, actual structure. Like this. Like this. Because pi electrons are delocalized electrons. Pi bond is weaker than sigma bond. Right? Here double bond and single bond character is present. And in ethane, bond carbon length is equal to 154 picometer. This carbon-carbon bond length in saturated hydrocarbons is 154 picometer. In alkene, carbon-carbon double bond is 134 picometer. But in case of benzene, neither double bond character nor single bond character intermediate bond length is observed by X-ray diffraction technique. Right? And what is the intermediate bond length of single bond and double bond is 139 picometer. Each carbon-carbon bond length is fixed, is same. This length is equal to this length and this length is equal to this. Children, this is true structure which is shown by loop. This structure is cyclic. And what is the shape of moving pi electrons? Circular. Right? Fast movement or delocalization of pi electrons is shown by this loop. Right? Then this carbon-carbon bond length, this one is equal to this one is equal to this. If true structure is drawn, right? Perfect structure, each length is equal, like this. Equal length. Shape is hexagonal and length is equal. Okay, children? 139 picometer. This is the effect of resonance. Intermediate carbon-carbon bond length in benzene structure. Now, difference in energy between actual structure and resonance structure in its lowest energy state is called resonance energy. Resonance energy. This energy is related with the resonance structure. The difference in energy between two structures, true structure or actual structure and resonance structure in its lowest energy state is called resonance energy. Okay.